3 lighthouses, 1 coastline, and a journey across some of Britain's most dramatic landscapes. Today, I'm exploring Cornwall's rugged Atlantic edge in search of 3 coastal icons that have guided sailors for generations. From windswept cliffs and hidden coves to some of the most spectacular views in the country, this is a road trip through the wild heart of Cornwall. This is a new series for Tigger Life. Welcome to Coastal Icons. Our first coastal icon sits on a lonely stretch of headland where Cornwall meets the Atlantic Ocean. For nearly 2 centuries, Trevose Head has guided ships through some of Britain's most dangerous waters. Standing at the edge of the headland, it's easy to understand why Trevose remains one of Cornwall's most enduring coastal landmarks. Our next coastal icon takes us to Cornwall's far west, where the Atlantic collides with one of Britain's most historic coastlines. For generations, this lighthouse has stood guard over Cornwall's mining coast, watching ships pass through these unforgiving waters. This coastline shaped Cornwall's history. Long before tourists arrived, these cliffs powered one of the world's great mining industries. At the very edge of Cornwall, Pendeen stands as a reminder of just how wild this coastline can be. Our final coastal icon sits at the southernmost tip of mainland Britain, where generations of sailors have relied on this lighthouse to navigate these perilous waters. Standing watch over the Lizard Peninsula for more than 2 centuries, this remains one of Britain's most recognisable lighthouse stations. There's nowhere further south you can stand on mainland Britain. Beyond this point lies nothing but open sea stretching towards France and beyond. From rugged Atlantic cliffs to Britain's southernmost point. Places like this remind you why Cornwall continues to capture the imagination of everyone who visits. This is Coastal Icons. This is Tigger Life. Be good to one another, love life, always be kind to animals, and I'll see you on the next one.